Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you're watching from. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I know you have been anticipating to see my tutorials, right? Don't worry, I've been busy, but I'm going to create time to start posting on 2 times in a week by God's grace. So today I want to show you how to use an industrial sewing machine. Yes, I want to show you. You know, all my tutorial has been on manual sewing machine, so you will begin to see me use industrial sewing machine. So if you are a beginner, first off, I want to encourage you that you can always do whatever you set your mind to do. Let me give you a story of when we acquired this industrial sewing machine. You know, I've been sewing right from a child, right from when I was maybe 7 years or thereabout, and it has been manual. So when we got this industrial sewing machine, it was as if I would not know how to use it. Let me tell you, so I'm trying to encourage you that if you have your industrial sewing machine and you are scared like me, then you are scared of using it, you can use it, you can do it. See, you need to make up your mind, and also you need to pray about it. That was what I did. Anytime I came to use this machine, I was always afraid of using it, like, this is too fast, this can, you know, so many fears, to the extent that it took me, I left the sewing machine, I left this industrial machine, and I was still using the normal manual machine for some time. But then this year, I just decided that I'm going to use it. I prayed about it and I started using it. You know, the funny thing, the guy that came to fix the industrial sewing machine actually built fear into me when he was fixing it, and I wanted to test it. He told me that, madam, see, I don't think you'll be able to use an industrial sewing machine. Just go and stick to your manual sewing machine. And I was like, and you know that thing got to me. Is part of the things that discouraged me, you understand? So it built fear in me that I cannot use it. If an expert that is coupling sewing machine, industrial sewing machine, told me that I cannot use it, but then I had to summon courage and I started using it. So today I'm going to see, I used look at what I literally used this sewing machine, this industrial sewing machine, to sew this sophisticated lunch bags. So I've used it to sew a lot, you see. So I can do it. If I can, you can also. So today let us go into how to use this industrial sewing machine. Okay, it's something very easy. All right, so you know, it's not something difficult actually. If you want to use it, now the first thing is you need to know how to set it, isn't it? You need to know how to set it. Now the first guy that came, that I said discouraged me, the way he fixed everything was so complicated. So it doesn't have to be complicated, okay? It doesn't have to be complicated. The first thing you should do is, do you see this? You're going to keep your what is it called, your thread here, then you pass it through this. Okay, once you pass it through this, you come to this point. Okay, look at this. So the first person complicated everything. Well, when the second person came, he told me that it doesn't need to be complicated. It's very simple. So you see, we have 1, 2, 3 O's, isn't it? So you pass your thread into this the one in the middle. Okay, then you come to this point. Then you come to this point. You see, after you pass it, let me show you. So you come to this point, and you just fix it here, and look at this. Make sure it passed through. So the first person really messed up everything for me. Okay, so you make sure it enters here. Okay, now that first person said I have to pass it through here, so it was complicated. But then this is the simplest way of fixing your industrial sewing machine. Okay, you see, then you fix this here, and we are you're good to go like this. Okay, you're good to go. So once you do this, you are good to go. And another thing is, in my next video, I'm going to be showing, just drop every question you have about industrial sewing machine. Let's tackle it together. Okay, so now this is it. this is it. Now look at here. You see, the first day I will just match here like with all my strength. No, it doesn't have to be like that. Now the first thing, if you want to use it, you come here like this,